Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off message request on the Instagram. So if you are getting too many message requests on the Instagram and that make you annoy, so you can simply turn this off. So how you can turn it off? Simply click on the Instagram application and you have to log into your account, and then you have to click on the profile from the right bottom. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the three lines on the right top, and this screen is appear. Simply click on the settings from here and you will see multiple options. Click on the privacy from here. Once you will click on the privacy, now you will see multiple options in the privacy is appear. Simply click on the messages from here, and once you will do it, you will see your follower on the Instagram request. So tap on it, and right now it's selected to message request. You can simply click on the don't receive and click on the update settings. So now no one will send you a message. So this is the procedure to turn off message request on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.